Have you ever noticed that after using regular shampoo, your hair becomes stiff and your scalp feels tight? We often look for salvation in hair masks, forgetting that the foundation of beauty is proper and gentle cleansing. Today, I'll show you how to make a product that will change the way you think about washing your hair. This is a natural rosemary shampoo with clove. It doesn't just wash away impurities, it transforms your hair into a silky canvas, making it incredibly soft and giving it that mirror-like shine we all love from salon treatments. Watch this video until the end and you'll see how, using simple natural ingredients and the right pH balance, you can achieve the perfect condition for your scalp and hair that glows with health. The main secret of this recipe lies in the combination of rosemary and clove. I'm not going to promise magical hair growth overnight since shampoo doesn't stay on your hair for long. Its true power is in its beneficial effect on the scalp's microbiome and the instant smoothing of the hair's structure. Rosemary soothes, while clove gives your hair incredible vitality and shine. Let's get started making this wonderful remedy. We'll begin with the base of our future shampoo, a concentrated herbal infusion. Cut 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary with scissors. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants that protect the hair shaft from the effects of urban environments and hard water. Rosemary also stimulates blood circulation, which has a beneficial effect on the condition of the scalp. Add 1 tablespoon of whole cloves to the rosemary. Cloves effectively cleanse the pores of the scalp and have an antiseptic effect. Pour 400 milliliters of water into a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, reduce the heat, and simmer for 5 minutes after it starts boiling. You'll notice an amazing spicy aroma that will fill your entire kitchen. Turn off the stove, cover the saucepan with a lid, and let the decoction cool completely. Peel the zest from the lemon. My lemon is large, so I only use the zest from half of the fruit. Lemon zest contains natural acids that instantly smooth the hair cuticles, providing softness and shine. Now, an important detail. When our decoction has completely cooled, add the lemon zest to it and let it infuse overnight. Why add it to the cold decoction? This way, we preserve all the vitamin C and valuable citrus essential oils, which are sensitive to high temperatures. During this time, the water will literally extract all the most beneficial elements from the zest for the shine of your hair. In the morning, strain the decoction through a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Pay attention to this rich, deep color. This is the foundation of our shine. To prevent the shampoo from running off like water and to gently coat each strand, we'll create the right texture. In a small container, mix 1 teaspoon of glycerin with 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum until you get a smooth paste. Glycerin acts as a powerful moisturizer, making hair manageable and preventing frizz. Add the mixture to the decoction, stirring constantly and vigorously with a whisk. The liquid will begin to thicken, turning into a uniform transparent gel. Now let's combine our active ingredients with the cleansing base. Mix the resulting rosemary gel with 4 tablespoons of shampoo base. I use a gentle base without harsh sulfates. Stir slowly to avoid creating excess air bubbles. This base gently dissolves sebum without overdrying the ends or causing skin irritation. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe deeply moisturizes the hair structure, making it incredibly soft to the touch. Aloe also soothes the scalp. Add 10 to 15 drops of Clove Essential Oil. This oil has a light conditioning effect and benefits scalp health, eliminating dandruff and itching. Add 20 drops of Sharomix preservative. This will keep your shampoo fresh for 2 to 3 months. This preservative ensures the microbiological purity of the formula, protecting the shampoo from the growth of harmful bacteria. Now let's check the pH. The lemon zest has already made our shampoo slightly acidic. If you have litmus strips, check the readings. The ideal value is between 4.5 and 5.5. An acidic pH is the main secret to shine. It closes the hair cuticle, sealing in all the beneficial components and creating a perfectly smooth surface. Look at this texture. Thanks to xanthan and glycerin, we've achieved the perfect consistency. Thick, transparent, like a melting gel. And what an aroma. This is true spa therapy. Spicy clove combined with the freshness of rosemary and a light citrus note. We pour our elixir into a convenient bottle with a dispenser. Now I'll show you this shampoo in action. I'm heading to the bathroom to wash my hair. The secret to effective natural cleansing is in the proper application. First, saturate your hair with as much water as possible. Shampoo loves moisture. Apply the first portion. Don't worry if there's not much foam. For a natural formula, that's absolutely normal. The first time, the shampoo works on dirt, sebum, and styling residue. And now the magic of the second stage. Now the foam is thick, soft, and abundant. It deeply cleanses the pores of the scalp, allowing it to literally breathe. Rinse. After this shampoo, the hair squeaks at the roots. This indicates good cleansing ability. Apply your favorite conditioner for 5 minutes to close the cuticles. And the final touch, rinse everything off with cool water. This will give every strand a shine. Look at this result. The hair is not just clean, it's incredibly soft and vibrant. You want to touch it again and again. It glides through your hands like silk. Most importantly, the scalp feels wonderful. It's moisturized. There's no feeling of tightness or dryness, just cleanliness, freshness, and volume at the roots. Try this recipe, and your hair will reward you with health and lightness, because true beauty begins with gentle care. Also check out the recipe for shampoo and tonic against hair loss made from cloves and fenugreek. See you in the next videos.